Hi everyone, hopefully you have made it through week one or you're about to be finished with week one and now we can look to week two. So the goal of this video is to walk you through the expectations for week two. First thing to always do is make sure you read these overviews. There's one here and there's one for part two here. That way you know exactly what you need to do and you can plan out your week. Alright, so week two, the first thing you want to do before you do anything else is schedule the appointment with our class counselor. All right, so what you'll do is take a look at this video and you'll need to schedule an appointment with Maureen sometime between now and June 14th. There's also a PowerPoint here with directions for setting up an appointment with her. And you'll use this scheduling form to schedule that appointment. And there are also instructions if you would like to meet with her online that you can access here. Okay, so this is the first thing. To get credit, just type the date and time of your appointment for me to look at. All right, heading back to modules. So part one, we're learning about college success, how to be a successful college student, what are some of the skills and resources that you need. So check out the readings and take the quiz. Make sure that you're reading the assignments for the quiz, making sure that you print them out, annotate them, and have them with you if you want to improve your quiz scores. All right. I have so you'll take the quiz here. The readings are also right here on the quiz for you. In part one, we have another mindful moment, as well as a discussion that involves watching a video, and then a library assignment. For the library assignment, this shouldn't take you too long. It basically just shows me that you know how to search for a book and an article on the library's website. So basically you're going to search for a book, you're going to search for an article, you're going to type the location and call number of the book as well as the title of the article in the text box to get credit for the assignment. And the last part of part one is the understanding and developing a growth mindset assignment. And this deals with how to sort of the perspective that you should have as a student in order to open yourself up to learn the most that you can. So this is really important. All right, so that's part one. Then when we get to part two, this is about communication. So the readings and the quiz are on how to communicate with people as a college student. There's an emailing your professor assignment in which you will send an email to a professor and then take a screenshot of it and submit that as your assignment. If you make sure that you actually send the email to the professor so that you actually are communicating with someone and checking in, you can send this to me or another professor you have at the moment. The last assignment for this week is a career inventory thing. So you just have to follow these instructions step by step, making sure that you do all the little parts. And if you have any questions, let us know. But the results from this are what you're going to talk to the counselor about when you meet with her. So thinking about your career, your major, and you know, your life beyond college and where you're headed. So hopefully this will really help you think through exactly what you want to do and also to see all your options. All right, have a great week, everyone. Let me know if you need anything.